And that time makes a change in your life. I'm realizing how much you made a change in my life. And I don't wanna spend it with nobody else. And me, don't nobody deserve myself. Oh, no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Melanie Go here. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this purple. I don't know if it's purple, I don't know if it's blue. You guys tell me, because I was going for purple. I'll show you the color that I was going for. It was inspired by Justine Skye, but this turned out blue. I think it's kind of blue at the top. If you guys can see it, it's kind of a bluish color, and then some parts of it is like the actual purple that I was going for. But I think I actually like this blue color. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this color. I'm obsessed with this color. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I've probably done this step about 1,010,000 times. So I'm just mixing my bleach with my developer, my 30 volume developer, and then I'm going to use that to bleach my hair first. So yes guys, you have to bleach your hair to get the blue purple color. So that's what I'm doing right now, just mixing it till it's like a creamy texture. So I'm applying that to my bundles. My bundles were originally black, as you can see. So I'm just applying that, making sure that I coat everything evenly, and I make sure that all the bleach is properly distributed into the hair. Alright, so after I bleach it, this is the color it will turn out to be the first time. I'm going to go ahead and bleach it again, because I was actually going for a purple, like a lighter purple. So I wanted to bleach it twice so that it would really be like the color that I wanted. If you want it to be like a darker color, the blue color in my hair, then you could just stop at the first bleaching result and just continue from there and just put the purple dye into the hair. So I'm just bleaching the hair, making sure that I'm coating it. This is the second time that I'm bleaching it, so it will turn to this color that you're about to see. So this color. So now I'm taking my Adore, and it is the color purple range that I used. I used about 4 or 5 bottles of that because I did about 4 bundles of hair. So for 4 bundles of hair, you would need 4 bottles of the Adore purple range. So what I'm doing here is I applied a little bit of conditioner to lighten the color a little bit, because if you just use that color, it will be a blue color, like the color you see at the top of my head. That was because I didn't apply a lot of conditioner. So the conditioner kind of dilutes the color and turns it into the actual purple that you want. But if you wanted like a darker blue, like a royal blue, then if you apply the color directly, it will just be like a royal blue. But when I applied some conditioner, it kind of lightened the color a little bit to the purple that I actually wanted. I don't know if I'm making sense, guys. I hope I am. Okay, so I'm just applying the dye to the hair, and this is the hair that I've bleached twice already. So I'm just applying the dye. So these bundles came out purple. As you can see, the bottom is purple, and then the top, I didn't apply the conditioner to that. I did apply, but I didn't apply a lot of conditioner. So the top is the blue portion that you're seeing, and the bottom is the purple. So depending on what color you want, make sure that you are following the instructions, because if you don't apply conditioner to that color, you won't get the true purple. You will get the blue like you see on my head. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that I was able to teach you guys a thing or two on how to achieve this color. I would say to follow the steps exactly how I did it. Make sure you don't skip any steps, because things can go really wrong really fast. Okay, so make sure you follow the steps. It's just exactly how I show them. You know, I'm trying to be more interactive on camera. Like, I want to actually talk to you guys. I'm also trying to incorporate more cooking. I'm trying to do more hair, makeup, skincare. So yeah, let me know what videos you'd like to see me do. Also, please shop the website. This hair
is from my website, loool.com. This hair is actually curly hair. It's the Italian curly, one of my favorite textures. And I'm just doing this video to show you guys that this hair straightens just as well. You could curl this hair, you could straighten it, you could do whatever you want to do. As you can see, I dyed this hair and it's still going. I have 22, 22, 24, 24 Italian curly with a 20 closure actually. Yeah, so the closure is right here. I have the closure here. So the website is 20% off right now. The hair on the website is raw texture, so this hair is guaranteed to last you that very long time because it's actual real donor hair. So you are actually, like, when you spend the money, you're actually investing because you're not gonna need to purchase hair for a long time. A lot of people that purchase the hair from the website have their hair like 2-3 years after. So know that when you're purchasing this hair, you're purchasing hair that will last you a really long time. So please shop the website. Thank you guys always for supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification button so you're able to see whenever I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mo fẹ́ gbé fọ́mọ yẹn, sọ fún, ẹ bá mi sọ fún.